Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So here chemuire was like overall best in aesthetics, and the food was okay, but really I was not really feeling the chicken pizza I ordered. So I think every other thing is great except from that. So if you go there, please don't forget to let me know and let me know how it went and your feedback. I'd love to hear from you, and please subscribe, like, and share. Very important for this video. Love you guys. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. I can't wait to hear what you think in the comment section below. Hi. Hi everybody. So this is like an outro because today has been a lot. But let's not talk about it. Okay. But welcome to my vlog. If you have not subscribed, I think you should subscribe. Okay, I do this for you.